cancel your DocuSign subscription and prevent auto-renewal, first log in to your account on DocuSign.com using a web browser or the mobile app. Next, navigate to Settings, then Account. Within Account, find the Billing section. In Billing, click on Subscription. You should see a Cancel button. Click this and provide a reason for cancellation, though this is optional. Confirm your cancellation to stop future charges. Note that as of late 2024, DocuSign offers an enhanced managed subscription dashboard for easier cancellation. If you cancel mid-cycle, you'll retain access until the end of your current billing period. Before you finalize your DocuSign cancellation, it's crucial to save your data. DocuSign retains active documents for 30 days post-cancellation, but full account data is kept for up to 7 years for compliance purposes. To ensure you have your own copy, export your envelopes, signed documents via the Manage tab or through the API. DocuSign allows bulk downloads in PDF or CSV formats. Also save important templates, contacts, and audit trails. Recent integrations with CRM tools like Salesforce can facilitate seamless data migration. In a case study, a graphic designer exported 200-plus templates using the bulk download feature, avoiding data loss. Failing to export can lead to lost access to critical audit logs, so proactive data saving is essential.